Okay, so hey, we're going about a new belief to break no more. And here it's about consistency once more, and we're gonna see what it is. It is that the more you honor your compass, the stronger it gets, the more you are in the habit of following your inner compass, of following your values, the stronger those values get. So it goes like this: your inner compass, your values, they're like a muscle. Okay, the more you are used to revolve around your values, the more you're used to take action on those values, and um, um, the more you know the templates to act within your own values, right? You have like some basics around your values that you do all the time, you know, that you tend to do all the time. And then because like you do like small things all the time around your values, you know how to do like so many small things around your values. So do not think that your values are something about doing big moves all the time. It's as well about consciously. It's about like, yeah, consciously and conscientiously, thoroughly do your exert small step in your like conscious step into mindful step into whatever you do every day, that are aligned with your values, and feel good about it. Allow yourself to honor yourself within the small step, within the small action. Like really reward yourself and celebrate it, because you got the opportunity to put a little of your power in it, of your decision making, of mindful feel good into whatever you are doing. So this is something that is major, that is something that is, it's like you handle the situation in a way where you manage to at least a tiny bit express yourself around your values, so you know that it's going in the right direction according to what you want, and this is something major. So yeah, the small aligned choices that you make every day, it builds a stronger intuition, like inner signals. Um, and because of the repetition, because you are used to align with your values, and in the end it makes easier your future choices. You know, like you're like, it's not like, oh, these are these, it's like, oh no, I already know these choices, it's like this with my values. And so more complex choices in the future, then with all the small choices that you know by memory, it's like, oh no, this in this direction. Much love.